Hey guys, Rob with Ride Philippines. So today is Crash Guard Day. We're going to take a look at the Crash Guard installation on the ADV160. So I ordered these guards because they were a slightly better design. If you notice right here, they have kind of a step down that tends to get this bracket a little closer to the running board. So I'm hoping the rubber strip will lay nicer than the ones I was seeing here in stock in the Philippines. So I ordered these from Lazada. They're kind of a two-piece design, well actually a four-piece design. So they have a joint here, they have the three brackets that mount here, and right now I have everything kind of loose. And then you have these two joints here on each side, and then this joint here. So when I tightened everything up, this joint kind of cocked a little bit. So what I did is I installed one of these bar protectors or whatever they're called in the center. And so I got the bar protector tight, and then these screws are tight. So I'm hoping now I can tighten everything else up, and this will generally stay straight. So I'm going to do that next, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so I got everything tightened down, and I'm pretty happy with these crash bars. So this is a full bar. Again, the floorboards are in, and I'm really happy with how flush everything sits. You get a little bit of a bump right here at the bracket, but very, very little. So I'm really happy with that. A solid mount. I tightened this joint here. And I did get a little bit of a tweak here, and this thing slid slightly off center now to the right. I'll adjust that later. It's not bothering me too much. Another thing about these crash bars is they have a mount right here on each side for the front. The hardware was great. Everything was complete. It went together very easy. And the brand, I guess, is see if I get that to focus. Waase ADV160. I'm not sure. But these shipped from DS Motorcycle Accessories on Lazada. Again, they were like $5.8, a little bit more. You're going to pay for these, but it does seem like it's a better quality crash guard. So we're all set now. I need to figure out how I'm going to mount my driving lights. That's going to be next. I kind of want to have them inside the guard, so maybe I'll put them up here. I have to play around with the mount and see what's possible. But there we have it, crash guards on ADV160. And the bike's coming along. I got my ORCR, took about a week for that. I should have my plate later this week. So I think I'm legal now, but I'll be 100% legal soon, and we can get some kilometers on the Honda ADV160. All right, thanks for watching.